National housing starts jumped in 2024, with Alberta being a main driver of projects in Canada. More and more apartment projects are underway, especially in tight rental markets like Calgary and Edmonton. Jordan Canigan explains.
Even through the winter wind, home construction continues in Calgary. Housing starts in Alberta again reached record highs as the province sees soaring demand.
We've set a record this year in Alberta. And in Calgary and Edmonton, they've also then set their own records. So I think we're up 32% over last year.
The latest data from the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation shows nationally new home builds climbed by 2% last year compared to 2023, but Alberta far outpaced that. When it comes to big cities, Calgary trailed only Edmonton in the number of housing projects breaking ground in 2024.
There's been a lot of efforts at, all levels of government, provincial, federal, and municipal that have really been, pushing towards more rental housing.
Construction was pushed by a demand for rental units, and the number of apartment projects in Calgary jumped by nearly 30%. But the local rental market is already cooling as interest rates decline and buyers search for more space.
Overall, we're in a more balanced market than we were last year, but different market segments. We're seeing in apartment condos, it's more of a buyer's market.
In Ontario and BC, housing starts are already falling as condo demand dwindles and population growth slows. And 2025 is already presenting unknowns for builders.
We're cautiously optimistic, and my caution comes in I have no idea the impact of potential tariffs, not only on the broad economy, which will obviously drive demand, but how will that impact the cost of housing materials?
Jordan Cadigan, CTV News, Calgary.